Let me share an ancient pest control trick passed down through generations, which you can't buy no matter how much you spend. It's a miraculous homemade insecticide that requires minimal cost. It can effectively combat aphids, whiteflies, thrips, and other pests. Many people still don't know about this, so I encourage fellow farmers to quickly save this pest control tip. Simply mix 1 spoon each of salt, laundry detergent, and baking soda with 15 kilograms of water, stirring well. After dilution, do a small test application. It's best to spray on the leaves before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. for better effectiveness. Use 3 times in a row. This method not only promotes the healthy growth of plants, but also helps to prevent a variety of plant diseases. You can make your own vegetables not only do not attract insects, but also make the leaves oily green and fat. The plant grows vigorously. Follow me every day for you to share agricultural planting knowledge. When your tomato seedling reaches about 30 centimeters tall, gently lay it down horizontally. This might seem strange, but it stops the plant from focusing too much on leafy growth and redirects its energy into producing more fruit. Next, once your tomato plant starts blooming, snip off those lower side branches. This reduces nutrient consumption, allowing the plant to focus on developing the tomatoes themselves. Also, during the fruit setting phase, thin out the fruits to allow only 4 to 5 fruits per cluster. Removing some of the smaller tomatoes ensures that the remaining ones grow bigger and better because the plant can concentrate its energy on developing fewer, higher quality fruits. Finally, for a secret weapon, mix 20 grams of brown sugar with 15 grams of baking soda. Use this mixture to water the roots or spray it on the leaves every week. This concoction promotes faster root development, more abundant blooms, and ultimately, a much larger tomato yield. Follow for more gardening gold.
If you continuously use brown sugar and baking soda to grow plants, whether they're tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, or green beans, once planted, they will flourish and produce so much that you won't be able to keep up with the harvest. After consulting my mentor multiple times, I have finally discovered this formula for you today, and I'm excited to share it with you for free. Once you learn this formula, no matter what you plant, you will achieve high yields and the results will be incredibly impressive. So what is this formula? Please click the little red heart on the right and the follow button to like and save this content so that you won't forget me in the future. The formula is to combine 10 grams of brown sugar and 20 grams of baking soda with 4 gallons of water. Use this mixture to water the roots of the plants, applying it every 7 to 15 days. You will find that your plants will establish roots more quickly, bloom more, and produce higher yields. Follow me every day for more tips and insights into agriculture and gardening.